Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lorraine Marshall at Make Money Online Niches, and my website, which is makemoneyonline-niches.com, and there will be a link to that in the description box below this video. So today I am going to review a product by the name of Hijack'd, and this product is brought to you by Glencoski, and it's already live. And there is a few days left in the promotion to actually purchase this product. And basically what it is about is it's a training and some software which will help you or show you how to go about earning commissions from high ticket affiliate products. So it's a high ticket affiliate product training and software. So I have got access to the members area. We can have a look at that a little bit later, and I have got my bonus page, but first we'll have a look at the sales page and see what that's all about. Then we could go over to the members area, and if you stick around to the end of the video, then we can have a look at the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up Hijack'd through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video. Okay, so let's look at the sales page now. Okay, so here we are on the sales page for Hijack'd, and as you can see, there is a pop-up on this screen which is going to give you a $3 off the front end price. So $16 instead of $19. So if we just get rid of this pop-up, then we could get to the sales page for Hijack'd. So basically what this is saying is this is a brand new loophole which is paying them high ticket commission sales of $997 every day. So what they say claiming is it's a simple copy and paste online. They've made it push button easy, copy and paste one secret link, 0 expenses required, 0 experience required, 0 tech skills required. There is a video on this page, on the sales page. Now if you want to check out this video, click through my bonus link, and any button on my bonus page will take you to the sales page, where you can have a look at this video, which is on the video sales landing page. So what else are they saying about this product Hijack'd? They've made $29,000 in profit in 30 days. They've used Hijack'd payments of $997 over and over again. Copy and paste simple system. Designed for newbies, and 82 beta testers have made money in 24 hours with this system. Takes less than 57 seconds to work, 0 experience and skills required, work on all devices including your phone, 100% brand new for 2021. This software, free buyer traffic is built in, beginners are making money from day one, private members community, which is probably your Facebook group, 180-day money back guarantee, and you get some private coaching if you fail. So this is basically the sales page for Hijack'd. So obviously the price is $19. You can use it forever. There's no monthly. It's a one-time price. Basically they're saying it's a game changer, easy to use, copy and paste. It's obviously high ticket affiliate program. Total beginners are making pro level money with Hijack'd. So they've got a few testimonials here on the sales page. So $632, that person there, Molly, Tony, $580, and Tyrone, $997. So these are the testimonials on the sales page. So we've got some more pictures, beta testers here who they've made money as well. So let's have a look at what's inside of the members area for this product Hijack'd. We'll have a look at that now. So here is the members area for Hijack'd, and there is the dashboard, which has a video introduction on the dashboard. It says start here, and there is this keyword tool, which is for research, keyword valve, which is one of their research tools. Now there is this section here for tutorials, and I'm just waiting for this to load up. Welcome to Hijack'd. So basically there is some bonus YouTube content. Then underneath, from this second section on tutorials, it starts off with the overview and setting up, how you set up your campaigns. Then it goes on to integrations and how you do that. And there's the autoresponder free trial here. Then there's the autoresponder tutorial video. Then you've got the social sharing training here, which shows you about how you go about sharing your pages to social media. Then you've got delivery of any bonus or free products that you put in with your offers, and that will show you here how you do that through your autoresponder once you've set that up. And then you've got creating affiliate campaigns, how you do that, so that's the other training, and how you, the upgrades, using upgrades obviously within the system, and the bonus builder, and traffic strategies is the next one. So you've got a free traffic mini web class there, and then you've got your traffic strategies in email, how you can get traffic here. So all of these are more trainings to help you with the obviously earning commissions from the high ticket affiliate programs that you will link to. So that is the tutorials section within the software of Hijack'd, and as you can see, there's some further videos here, so there's a lot of content to have a look at. Then you've even got videos about Bitcoin here, and then $10 of Bitcoin there, and then what interest you would get on this, maximizing the crypto. So there's a lot of information within this actual training section here in tutorials. So that's the tutorial section. Then you've got your campaign section, the bonus campaigns, you've got your affiliate links, the free traffic, and the upgrades, further upgrades. So the campaign section, if we could just have a look at this part, which is where your campaigns are located. So you've got passive income system, super affiliate system, the fast tracks. So that's 1 to 4 entries there. Now if you look at affiliate link, you've got campaign links and bonus links. So in campaign links, you've got, I think there's 4 links for the different campaigns that are within this system. So you've got the passive income system. Now it shows you how you're going to have to go and get that link. And I believe this one here is in Warrior Plus, and then you've got the super affiliate system, which is John Cristoni. Then you've got your fast track, which is on a different platform, and Tube Mastery, which again is on a different platform. So those are the affiliate programs that are already within this system here. Then you've got free traffic. So how you get traffic to these campaigns, and there's a few tutorials inside of the free traffic. So it's telling you to actually watch this video first, and Glenn, who is the creator of this particular product, the vendor himself, will explain in this short video what you need to do and how you need to learn or like take the tutorials for each one of the different traffic methods that is going to be introducing to you within this particular training and software. So first one is Affiliate Traffic Lab, that you register and then watch the training for that. The second one is the Viral News Jacker and Tube Traffic Machine, so that's that one. Well, two together. Step 3, activate more free traffic. Click for free traffic, so that's another one. And then the traffic training is there. Step 4 is different again, because that is where you can submit your link and then get free clicks from Glenn's traffic source, which is his own traffic list. And so you basically would be click and submit a form to get the clicks to your campaign. And then there's a download here for free traffic guide, and that's under this button here. So that is under that section for free traffic. And then you've got download the bonuses here, which are the bonuses that are included when you purchase the product. All of the vendor bonuses will be available, so you've got those included under that part of the modules, which is free traffic. So that is basically inside of Hijack'd. And then you've got this, obviously, your bonus, you've got campaigns and your bonus campaigns. But this is the basis of Hijack'd. So there's a lot of traffic training in there, and there's obviously the walk you through how to set up your campaigns, what you need to do, and obviously start your journey of earning commissions through well, high ticket affiliate commissions through this particular method that they've discovered and put together in this training. So now what we can do is have a look at the prices for the funnel and the bonuses I have available if you decide to pick up Hijack'd through my link, which is the first link in the description box below this video. So let's have a look at my bonus page for Hijack'd. So basically we have the information here, what's Hijack'd all about. It's an all-in-one solution for 3-figure commissions. Cloud-based software, proven system, everything to bank big selling other people's high-ticket products. So it's basically what I've just shown you through all of the software. It's using pages that are then linked to the affiliate offers, but there is a little bit of a hack included in the software that they've produced, because if you land on that page and then you don't submit your email address where it's asking for sign up here, so you'll be directed to a webinar type of thing, then the person tries to move off to go back. Then what happens is they get a redirect straight off, which takes them directly to the webinar class anyway, so they don't have to put the email in, and then they've got another chance, another opportunity to actually watch that webinar, and they might think, right, okay, so when that happens, that's another extra chance to have a buyer on your particular product, because it directs straight to the webinar then. So I think that little tiny little hack is itself something that's a bit different in this industry. I don't think it's been used particularly before. So that's included in Hijack'd. So the front end of this product is $17. Price is rising every hour, so obviously you have got that discount which we saw at the beginning there. Then you've got a one-time offer, which is $67 and a downsell of $37. You've got the second offer done for you, which is $97 and a downsell of $47. The third offer is limited traffic, $97, downsell of $47. The fourth offer is automation, $67, downsell of $37. And the fifth one is the ATM, $197, a downsell of $47. And then you've got Ultimate, which is $197 and a downsell of $47. Then you've got the license rights, $67 and a downsell to $37. So those are the offers through this funnel, and it just basically describes the different ones here. And then let's have a look at the bonuses I have available if you're deciding to pick up Hijack'd through my link today. Okay, so the first one I have is access to Nova and all the upsells first 12 hours. So that's bonus number 1, which is software to show you how to use Instagram and Twitter. And then you've got access to Online Entrepreneur, which is a full training showing you step by step how from start all the way through to becoming an online entrepreneur. Bonus number 3 is 3 ways to get traffic to your gig. So that's bonus number 3. And bonus number 4 is access to Polaris Pro. Now this particular product is coming from my mentor, and that is this product here, Polaris Pro. And you would still receive all of the vendor bonuses if you decide to pick up Hijack'd through my link. So that is my bonus page, and if you do pick up this product through my link, you would receive one of these receipts from Warrior Plus, and this blue button here is where you would be able to pick up all of the bonuses I've just talked about. So that is Hijack'd review in a nutshell, how it works, to the training in the software that is there to help you to earn high ticket affiliate commissions. And that's all I have on this particular product review. Now, if you like these videos, give a thumbs up, comment. If you don't, give them a thumbs down. If you want to see more of these particular videos, then subscribe and hit the notification bell, and then you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video to my channel. So, that's it folks. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.